What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at you with a brand new unboxing video. I got my week 12 packages. I believe these are in. I got them in a couple days ago, but I'm gonna be unboxing them all for you guys today in this video. I did manage to get pretty much all of these packages, I believe, all with Swift Soul last week. If you guys want to go check out my live cop video, I'll post that right here. And then I also did manage to get a couple of these other packages off of a restock. A couple of them are for personal. They're pretty fire pieces, so definitely stick through the end of the video to see what I got. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the first package. I did catch this off of a restock, and this one is going to be the Ariel Crewneck for the personal. 2 red box logo stickers. Ariel Crewneck Burgundy Extra Large. This one's going to be for the personal. I'll open this real quick. Here it is. Printed graphic, nice heavy printed graphic on the front of the Ariel. I fuck with it. I like it a lot. Made in Canada there. Oh, it has a nice box logo and a world famous on the back right there. To be honest, I didn't even notice that when I bought it. I didn't even look at the pictures like that. But yeah, I'll save this and I'll throw this on the body a little bit later in the video. Alright, moving on. We got a little box here, so I'll use the scissors. Alright, let's see. This one's going to be one of the corduroy hats, I believe, and a knife in this one. This one's going to be the brown one. Alright, so 2 more box logos in that package. We have one of the folding knives. This one's going to be the red one. I'm probably going to end up keeping the red one and selling the black one that I did get. So here's the Ripple corduroy small box 6 panel. This one's the brown, obviously. Pretty fire. Not bad. I might honestly end up keeping one of these, whether it's the black or the brown. And then I will open up this knife because I will be using it to open up the other ones. So, alright, so I'll open this up here for you guys. Boom. Okay, so the handle is wood. Pull this out here. Does it lock in place? Yeah, it does. You can turn that and then it locks. Pretty sharp knife. Boom. There it is. Nothing on this side. Has an embroidered or embossed logo of the branding there as well. That locked. Put it back in its case. Oh wait, no, I was gonna use it for this package, duh. Yeah, so I'm just taking it right back in. Always make sure to cut away from you, you know. Ooh, that cut through that like butter. Easy. I was just cutting through the cardboard, whoops. Couple more BOGOs. This one is going to be the black folding knife right there. Tag. Alright, and then here is the black corduroy 6 panel, rippled corduroy. You can't really see the ripple in that one that much, but oops. Alright, so what should I do? The skate deck or the fishbowl? I'll move on to the skate deck. I'll save the fishbowl for last. Don't need that knife anymore. Pretty dangerous. Alright, y'all know what this is gonna be from week 12. Oh yeah. We got the Ariel skateboard. We got this on a restock with Swift Soul. I'll probably be putting it up in my room somewhere back there. Probably in like that wall. You know, see if it's like up back there maybe. I don't know. Pretty fire. Comes with the box logo, of course, in there. This one is a lot hazier than the other. Put it side by side real quick. I don't know if you can tell. This one looks a lot more gray than this one. Now we'll be moving on to the Supreme Fishbowl. I've been thinking about it, and this is only a 2-gallon fishbowl tank. And there's not really many fish that you could put in a tank like that small. But I was thinking of just getting like, you know, maybe like a temporary beta fish put in there. Maybe just as the decoration in my room. Kind of like that. Got a bunch of paper keeping this pretty sturdy. Couple box logos down there at the bottom. Yo, this is actually honestly really small. Get this open here. Well, here it is. The Supreme Fishbowl. Let me take it out of this stuff real quick. Woo. Alright, this is definitely gonna have to be washed, but there it is. How thick is the glass? It's not too thick. You just have to be pretty careful with it. It's just gonna be sitting on the desk. I'll probably put it over here, but you can't really see it in the backdrop, but it'll be a nice cool feature for the room. Well, that's that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually throw this on the body real quick. I'll be right back. Boom, there we go, got it on. Ooh, this is pretty comfy, nice and comfy, pretty heavyweight. Stand up here so I can show you guys a little better the graphic. Here's the back. I don't know if you can see the logo, but there we go. Well, we did get quite a bit of box logos for this unboxing. There we are. I'm gonna put this away. Don't make sure I don't hurt myself with the knife. Well, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Hope you all enjoyed. Drop a like for your boy if you did. Definitely let me know down in the comments below what you guys were able to pick up from this week. It was aerial week, as you can tell. Definitely please subscribe to the channel for more future content like this if you're not already. That'll be much appreciated. Help your boy out a lot. And as always, guys, much love. See you all in the next vid. I'm out. Peace.